Hello everyone, welcome back to my studio. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I made a chunky blanket. These are the materials we're going to be using, and I'm going to show you also how I selected the yarn for the blanket at the store. So, choosing my yarn for the project that I have in mind, what I do is just come to the store and see what they have available. It's not yarn. I have my project in mind. It's to make a blanket for my aunt. I'm visiting her here in New Mexico. So I have her birthday's coming up, so I want to make a blanket for her. She's turning 91. And so I just touch it and see if I want this texture. She, like I said, she's already 91, and the colors, she's very classic and very traditional, I should say. So I'm trying to see if I find something that is comfy, soft to the touch, but at the same time, because I'm only here a week. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at my color. I'm trying to see if I find something that it's a little bit bigger, chunky, so it will take me less, and also to make a tutorial so you can be encouraged to make the blanket also yourself. That will not take that long. So I think I have a winner already. So I think this is my winner. It is the Yarn Bee Ivory, and I'm gonna get probably, just for a throw blanket, I'm going to get 4 of this. So that's the winner. So let me take you through all the steps to be able to make a beautiful blanket. I should say throw blanket, because it's gonna be something small using this yarn. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you how I did this chunky, beautiful blanket. The first thing to do is to do a slip knot, and we're gonna start making 10 chains all together. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just demonstrate a sample piece, but for the throw blanket, you need to do at least 33 chains to determine the width of the blanket. But let's do just a regular chain now. You yarn over and you pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. And we're gonna repeat this 10 times. In this case, I'm gonna show you then the next stitch. And the beautiful thing about this chunky blanket is that you only need to do 2 different stitches, the chain and half double crochet. The key to work with this chunky yarn is to keep your stitches loose. You have to get the hang of it. Okay, so now we're done with the 10 chains. Now we're gonna start doing the half double crochet. We're gonna insert the hook in the 3rd chain. We're gonna yarn over, insert the hook in the 3rd chain, pull the yarn through. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all loops. Okay, let's do another one. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch,
Pull the yarn through. Now you have the 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through all loops. This is a half double crochet. You're going to continue making half double crochet until you reach the end of your first row. Go up 2 chains and then go to the other direction. Let me show you how. 1 chain, 2 chains, turn your work around and continue making half double crochet in the next stitches until you reach the end of this row. And you're gonna repeat this process over and over again until you reach the desired length of your blanket. Remember that I am just doing 10 chains for this sample, but you have to have at least, to start this blanket, 33 chains to determine the width. So what's going to determine the length of your blanket, it's going to be the rows. So if you repeat these rows 12 times, you're gonna get the desired size for your throw blanket. Let me show you now what to do when you run out of yarn and you have to add another skein of yarn. As you can see, I am just sewing it together. I just grab the end of one and the beginning of the other, and I'm just making stitches with my needle and a thread, making a knot and cutting it. In that way you can continue your work without any problems. So that's how I did add a new skein of yarn while I was crocheting the blanket. This project is so relaxing to do. You can do it while you watch TV, and it doesn't take that long. It probably took me 2 afternoons. So let me show you how to weave the end. Very easy. You just have to grab it through and put it underneath the stitches. If you want to use a thread and a needle to secure it, you can do that too. And that's it. I enjoy making this throw blanket for my aunt, and she really loved it. It is so soft. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, bye-bye.